Hey, Charlie Mitchell here at Andretti Autosports. Today I just want to take a couple of minutes of your time and talk to you about this great drill that I got from Big Kaiser. I had this issue that I had to drill a 1/4 inch hole or 3.3 millimeter, it's like 128 thou, 4 inches deep into 70-75 aluminum. The thing is that I wanted this hole to be clean with a really good finish, and I wanted it not only to go in at the right spot, but not to walk when it comes out. We all know how drills walk all over the place. I was amazed at how this drill worked. I actually drilled 1,800 holes with this drill. That's over 7,200 inches, like 600 feet. I went through 3 drills, but 2 of them I actually broke because of operator error. And if you look at the drill, it's called the Sphinx tool, and it's supplied by Big Kaiser. And if you look at the drill, solid carbide, beautiful, and it's got these 2 really small holes, if you look really close out there, for the coolant to go through it. It's amazing how they do these drills now. But anyway, so the drill that's in this machine has done probably roughly 3/4 of that 1,800 holes. I can't show you the parts because they're proprietary, but I do have a chunk of aluminum, 70-75 in here, that's 4 inches deep, and it's ready to go. I got it all lined up, and we can actually just turn on the feed rate and you'll watch it drill. Ready? It's running at 4,400 RPMs. I got about 1,100 pounds of pressure at 6 inches a minute, and it's going to drill the 4 inches right down through it. I can actually open up the door and swing this in here so you can really see it. To the other side. Done. Amazing. And I was throwing parts in there, walking away, and it was drilling like 30 holes in one chunk of aluminum, a square block. And I never even worried about it after a few parts. So if you ever have a problem drilling long holes, small, and you need a good coolant through drill, Sphinx from Big Kaiser. These are the drills to go after.